Hey, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Nick and I'm back with another banger for you guys. We got something really cool coming today. We are installing an M Performance carbon fiber spoiler for the 135i. We've been doing a lot of upgrades to the front, to the sides. In the last video, we did do the taillights, so we are starting to work on the rear end. Now we got the spoiler coming along. I got Johnny behind the camera here.
Yes,
man, we got some, woo! I'm excited for this. Anyways, guys, let's go into unboxing. Before we get into the install, I want to give a huge shout out to Suvneer. Matter of fact, they sent me a shirt, so we'll catch you guys right back. I'm gonna throw on the shirt real quick. All right, guys, and we are back with the Suvneer Motorsport t-shirt. This is a nice little shirt, bro. I love it. It actually feels really nice. But anyways, guys, huge shout out to Suvneer for sending this out to me. I haven't even opened it up, bro. I'm so excited. I've been so itching to open this up, but it literally came in like 2 days. Shipping is like super fast. But yeah, guys, let's get into the unboxing. Bro,
you already know, high quality.
You already know, bro. Oh, bro. What do we have ourselves here?
It's like Christmas,
bro. It is like Christmas, bro.
Woo! There we go.
Bro, this thing looks so clean.
Oh, that's really clean.
Oh my gosh, look at this, bro.
Look at that.
Oh, bro, it's so fat.
Dude, it looks good.
Dude, it's actually so fat. I'm excited for this, bro.
Dude,
bro, it actually looks so fat. Let me test fit this on here real quick, even though we got the other spoiler on.
The other spoiler.
Bro, I can't wait to install this.
It looks good.
Check out this quality, bro. Sheesh. Beautiful, dude. Absolutely beautiful.
Really good.
They already got the double tape actually on here. Man, this looks like some really high quality. I'm super pumped. I mean, like, you cannot tell a difference this from like an original carbon fiber piece. I mean, I've had like so much original carbon fiber pieces on all my BMWs, guys, and honestly, I cannot tell a difference. This looks like it's got the same weave, like the carbon fiber weave, as we have, like, if you look on the side skirts. Bro, this is so perfect.
Dude.
I actually love it. Yeah, guys, they already have the tape on here for us. We're probably gonna install some more tape just in the middle right here. Some 3M double tape here in the middle. We do have the OEM spoiler on here. I don't know how fun this is gonna be.
It's gonna be a little bit.
I don't know how fun this is gonna be, but we're gonna have to pull it off right now. So yeah, guys, before we get into the install, we're gonna pull off this real quick. We'll put you on a quick time lapse and get to work. I'll catch you guys there. Alright, guys, so we pretty much took off the original spoiler. As you guys can tell, there's still a lot of double tape residue, but honestly, we don't think that's gonna be a problem. We leveled it out to where there's like no bubble or no bump on it. Realistically, guys, we should be good to install it right like this. Plus, the spoiler is much wider, so we're gonna start throwing on the second part of the 3M double tape on the new spoiler, and we'll get to installing it, so we'll catch you guys there. I don't know, I don't really want to overlap it right here, so I think we'll just start off maybe in the center right here, something like that. That should be perfect right here. I'm low-key always anxious about like carbon fiber parts, bro, because like, I don't know, you're driving like freeway speeds or like highway speeds, you know what I mean? Yeah. Bro, it's like, it's sketch, bro.
Dude, there we go.
This looks clean. I think this should be enough double tape, bro. I hope it is.
I think it will be.
Oh, bro, I'm so nervous about like how to fit this on.
Oh no, dude. We gotta clean it up.
Fudge, dude, we probably do.
Yo, no.
Yeah, we're gonna have to actually clean it up. Dang it, bro. I think that's no problem though.
It looks good.
Yeah, bro, it actually fits on, like, the fitment is literally perfect on here. Bro, look at this. It literally sits on like flush with everything. This looks sweet. Oh my gosh, this looks so good, dude. Tighten this up right here. Bro, this looks so good. Oh my gosh, dude.
Bro, the fitment's actually really insane.
Bro, look at it like from right here.
Oof.
With the little lip. Oh my gosh, dude. This spoiler looks so good.
The fitment's amazing. Woo! Looks clean.
It looks so clean. Bro, it's coming together so nice. Man, I've been like itching to do the rear end mods because honestly, the rear end on the 135 is usually like so small. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's so like small and like empty. So Man, this definitely adds like it makes such a big difference to the rear end of the car for sure. I mean, I can finally post rear end pictures on my Instagram. Honestly, bro, like I have not been posting any rear end pictures because it looked so bad, but especially now we got the taillights and especially like this spoiler, it completes a lot of it. We are gonna get more mods, of course. There's absolutely no way we're not going without any more mods on this car, but so excited for this. Yeah, we're actually gonna put you guys on a quick time lapse, and we're actually gonna work on getting this gooey stuff out of here because honestly, this looks a little weird. So we definitely gotta clean it up. But just in general, the fitment came out so good. Honestly, everything like, bro, it's so like even on both ends. You know what I mean? It sits really good. So yeah, guys, let's get into cleaning this piece up. We pretty much got off as much as we can over here. As you guys can tell, there still is like an outline of the old spoiler. That's just in the paint. Honestly, it probably needs like a one-step polish, and we'll get that taken care of. It's actually like a little more on this side. Also, probably a little bit of scratches going from the rubber, but in general, the fitment still looks really good. Like, I cannot see any double tape like sticking out anywhere, and honestly, I'm excited, guys. Honestly, I love this. Huge shout out to Suvneer. I will have a link to this spoiler in the description down below, so make sure you guys check it out. Make sure you guys go buy one for yourselves. They're not too pricey. Honestly, like probably the best price you could find for a nice looking carbon fiber spoiler for your 1 Series. But yeah, guys, we're gonna end off this video here. We're gonna go get you guys some nice B-roll, some nice pictures, and we'll catch you guys there. Ladies and gentlemen, that'll pretty much conclude this video. Man, I'm so pumped and I'm just so excited that we got the spoiler installed. Like, this spoiler actually made me love the car more. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna definitely have this spoiler linked in the description down below. Be sure to check out Suvneer. Be sure to cop one for yourself. I promise you, you'll love it. We love it. So huge shout out to Johnny for helping me out on this video. As usual, be sure to follow us on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here and Johnny's right here. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.